the screw jack in bottle type. So first you have to open the ISO assembly in the solid software. So switch on the reference planes, then go for part library. Okay, if it's not shown means you have to go for view. So here, if you open in the left side, you'll get the part library, open that one. So all the parts will be saved means it will be shown. Then first you have to select the body, drag this one here. Okay, so next you have to go for the nut. So drag the nut here to the body. Okay, so next you have to select the bottom of the nut and select the inside the body. So it will be collinear, right? Next you have to assemble properly. So go for home. So assemble, just click the assemble part. Click the bottom circle here and click the top circle here. Okay, so check the press Ctrl F. So properly it will be fixed. Okay, next Ctrl I. Next you have to go for the screw spindle. Select the screw spindle and drag it. You have to select the threaded part, and in the nut you have to select the threaded part. So it will not properly assemble. Just drag it upwards. Okay. So now go for click the assembly part. You will so you can see the just rotate it. Okay. You will get the circle, small circle. Zoom it. You will get the small circle. Yes, and click the top of the nut, so it will be fixed. Okay, so next fit page. Next you have to assemble the cup. Drag the cup. Okay, so rotate the top face. Close the rotation. You can select the zoom it. Carefully select this part. Okay, it will show the double circle. So then upper face of the, or you can select the body here directly, it will be fixed. Okay, so if you select Ctrl F, so you can look at this one, it's not properly fixed. Just drag it, fit the page, zoom this one, so drag it upwards. Okay, go for assembly, click the assembly, select the bottom circle and the top of the spindle, so it will be fixed properly. So Ctrl I, isometric view. Okay, next inside the cup you have to place the washer. So drag the washer. So inside you can fix, that's why you have to switch off the cup first. So now we can look at this one. So select the washer inside circle. Okay, and select the threaded circle. So it will be places like this. Again Ctrl F. Okay, you can look at this one. It's not properly fixed here. So drag it upwards. Okay. Select the assembly part. So bottom of the circle and top circle of the spindle. So it will be places properly. Okay. So next again Ctrl I. Zoom this one. Next select the CSK screw. Drag this one. Okay. So here you have to select the threaded part of the screw and threaded part of the spindle. Okay, now it is collinear. Next you have to select the top of the screw and top of the washer. See, now it will be fixed properly. Okay, next switch on the cup. Okay, and final part is the dummy bar. Drag this one. Okay, so drag it a little bit here like this. Okay, so now you have to select the, go for assembly, select this part, front of the dummy bar, and inside carefully select it like this, zoom it, you'll get the hole, select it like this, so it will be fixed here, but you have to push it inside, Ctrl F for the front view. So now you can easily push up to this line. Okay, so push it like this, so up to this line. Yeah, fixed. Okay, next again Ctrl F. Okay, before Ctrl F, you can see this, you have to give the height, a little bit height about the nut and the spindle. Okay, you have to give the height some distance. So select the nut, right click the nut. Okay, right click the nut here Control I. Okay. So close it, right click this one. Yeah. Right click this one. So the scale will be open here. The body, initially body is shown. Go for spindle. You can see the distance here, 0 is there. So make it 30, enter. Okay. Next again, Control I. You can look at this one. I will show the Control F front view. See, look at this one. Some distance will be raised. Okay. Again, Control I. This is the 3D view. Okay. So if you press Control T, this is the top view. You can clearly 180 degrees is placed. Okay. So Control B is the bottom view. Control T is the top view. Control F is the front view. Okay, like that. Control I is the isometric view. So save this one. Anywhere you can save it. Okay, saved now. Now you can go for the sectional part. So convert first this one to the 2D drawing. Next, use the front view. Next, use the top view. This is bottom view, this is top view, this is left side, right side view, this is left side view, this is isometric view. Okay, I will finish this one. So in this page, wherever you want, you can fix the center, but you can fix it at the left hand side. So now we can available. So visible lines are dark, invisible lines are dashes lines. Okay, so this is the front view of the screw jack, and this is the top view of the screw jack. You need to draw the sectional part, so I will delete this one. Okay, and I will go for the sheet setup. So convert A2 to A4 sheet, deselect the background, save default. Okay, now fit the page. So take the diagram in one end, and this is in dimension is big, so convert the scale into 1:5. Okay, so now you can go for the cutting plane, select the cutting plane command. So select the diagram first, then zoom in this one. Exactly at the center you have to start. Click it like this and click the straight line. Exactly 180 degree, sorry, 0 degree. Okay, click it outside the diagram and click it the vertical diagram. As it is same. So at the end of the line, vertical line downwards, minus 90 degree, and you have to take the any distance of the, okay, then cutting line, close it. So you can see the section A, single line. Okay, so then you can go for the section part. So select the line first, again select the line. It will be front view of the section plane will be visible. Okay, you can see this one. Half part is section. Okay, this is not section part, this is the section part. Okay, so if you take the line like this, the full will be cut. Half, exactly 50% will be cut. Both will inclined lines will be available this side also, right? So what is the parts of the this one's screw jack should be? So if you saved properly, if you go for the part list and select the diagram, so the table will be available. You can place it like this. See, so part 1 it will show body, part 2 nut, part 3 screw spindle, then part 4 cup, part 5 washer, part 6 screw, SCSK screw, part 7 tommy bar according to the material. Whatever you given the material when you saved, so everything will come automatically. So document number will be empty. So you have to remove this one. Right click on table and properties. Go for the here columns. Document number is not needed. Delete column. Apply. Okay. So now we can see without document number column. Okay. So now another one thing. So we can look at this one. Yeah. So this is the numbering system. 1 by 1, 2 by 1, you have to remove that one. So press Ctrl and select all these things. Okay, you can see the item count. Click this one, so it will come clearly 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and everything including drawing, you have to take it inside the page. Anything outside the page, take it inside the page. Okay. So now we can drag it upwards. Okay. Can drag it downwards this one. Okay. Okay. Now we can take the printout of the screw jack assembly section. Thank you.